Commander for near for side for Boya, where that then the lookout roads, they don't catch some two people them where they deal with him Bangam. According to Tori, we enter for we here, they be carry Banga now for inside back them for eyes. Driver where be the drive this motor or the driver where be the drive motor, he talks say be sabi. Say Nakon and Gary, he be there for inside the motor. You know, be sabi say Banga sesep. He be there they catch them now for that side. So for Miselele as we Tori enter for we here. This afternoon we go take una go for Boya for go see that thing way near them for side for Boya. They catch them after we now walk for Commander Dume Asa when I look out near people them for roads inside Boya. Tori to for this afternoon we go take una. We enter for inside Douala here. After plenty time we don't stay, we never hear palava for picking where the thief am. Yesterday for night for Cité de Palmier Hospital, some 10-day-old picking where they be go for go make a birth certificate. It means they go take certificate for hospital where the show say now for the way they born him. They thief that picking, go with them. It be there yesterday for night for Cité de Palmier Hospital. We go talk that one palava 500. Now it cause that confusion. So 32 for this afternoon we go take una. We go for inside Balikumbat where Aswe Keton Anderson we na SDO inside Ngokitunja. He go for go get chop. He don't make am. Now so to people them for Balikumbat they don't make another waka. For talk say they want peace inside their town. According to which we enter go here waiting where Keton Anderson is a self he go talk. After we Iwakam enter for inside Balikumbat. This story plus chapter for coronavirus with Sabi Sesep say ambassador for China for inside country. He don't talk say all Cameroon picking the way they did for that side. Even the one where they make binet. All man they don't look at it for sickly sick where he don't make so 17,000 people them for suffer for side for China. The Guardian Post now the only newspaper where they for week before and Sabi say now the newspaper where they come out all day for Monday so for Friday. We go talk to where them too they get on top their skin. Big part talk for this afternoon. They tell we say no matter the kind of size where elephant he gets, he no fit ever make earthquake for happen. No matter the size where elephant he get he no fit make earthquake for happen. According to what we eno below for that size so for do a talk for we. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox at Tori House. Chapter 1, we go take una go for Boya as we are talk for now. Near them for side for Boya when then the lookout roads make una see where they happen. Na back Gary that where they don't put them. Inside that bag Gary waiting day make we try for open the bag there with them. No be na Gary true. If it day they don't just put the Gary for inside that place. So say when you touch them, you feel them. Say this so na Gary where they don't carry them. No ask me where to make near them say for Sabi. Say no be na Gary there for inside that bag. As when they open that bag, they open the bag again. Small. As soon as they see them. Banga where they don't come out inside that bag them when a Gary where they don't first take cover and see the kind of number from Banga where people they carry them and they be the full people them where they don't put corn for someone then they put Gary for someone so that when you touch them you go feel like saying a corn and Gary it be there for inside. Now necessary for inside Boya side there where they catch the Banga. Now the first time where they catch the kind of plenty Banga them where it the enter for inside side where they call them say southwest. Sabi say it wrong. Now big commander that Dume Assam in a lamboy them where they make this investigate. Catch the one things for Sunday, plenty investigate before they come out. All that one they saw someone at the Siam. Now Banga where they catch another motor that where it be carry all that back them. They be pick this motor now for side where they call them say Miselele as we Tori enter for we here. One time they take and go for near them office for inside place where they call them say Boya. Now for day where they can service and Banga driver he talk say he no be sabi. Driver talk say no be sabi. In on top this palava say be the kind of Banga and the man say he be talk say he be carrying a rice and Gary or corn and Gary he go big commander as SSF then he catch them Chungong Godlove Ntamayang na be that we be na one of the people them where they catch them, and Ocha Ignatius 38-year man where they catch all them inside this palava. So just now them two they for inside Ngata for place where they call them say Boya. So for continue for make investigate and for Sabi sideway this Mbanga it be the go. If na for say they be one go maybe net on top, or they be the carry am for go give am for some people them. So just now the condition that we will see am inside Boya as we tori enter for we ear. Inside Douala here, one of the trunk tori na for Cité de Pamiers Hospital, as so na the see for that poster where they talk for we na Pikin where they don't thief am. Pikin e get na only 10 days where e don't be on top this planet Earth, as well as Sabi. They talk say Mami Pikin if you want go take some book where it show say na the hospital where e born the Pikin. For sick I say if you want go make birth certificate for the Pikin. So as we come hospital, as we one crossroads, they say some woman e be the spy. Now that woman e see as well the Mami Pikin e slippers e cut, e help the Mami. He hold that slipper so they enter. Man, uncle for the woman, na the gonde that way born that Pikin. Uncle, he come for can see that Pikin or the woman, he fool the uncle, he give him money, say make he go buy that way they wear them for Pikin when he don't shit. Now so to ask the woman whether he don't chop, the woman talk say no. As so he come out, he won't come back. A Pikin, he don't disappear. Book for that Pikin and other thing them. They leave him on top the bedway or the chair with this Mami Pikin is she done. Man gombe say we enter for day. According to he dey try for talk say the palava where he look and find. He dey check say people there they help the woman for born. They sabi to the pass, and even got them they sabi to the pass plus big man inside that hospital. So just now 10-day-old Pikin wey this Ngonde they just born am, e no see am again, and all the one for Sika say it dey show say the woman e be sabi say this Ngondere e don born for that side. So as all the top near them say they be come for the place, they don't can hear all to it happen, and just now we dey hear say investigate it dey happen on top this palava as well then say they get for make investigate for sabi true whether that woman na SSF e thief that Pikin, and who side e don't carry that Pikin e go with am, and if hospital people then SSF they get hand on top that Pikin where it disappear. Inside Toritu for this afternoon, we go take una enter for this accident where it be happen. Now for we National Road number 3 where it come out for Douala, so they we reach for side for Yawende. This one na some njo tin them sabi say Cameroon, and a country people then say plenty. Oh man, it like na cargo them where they come njo for them. Now this spaghetti say we throw away plenty for roads where people then say they come out them plenty. Only for Sika say the one can carry spaghetti. As we tori enter for we here, na some motor where he carry this spaghetti, he make accident. As we make accident, all the spaghetti where they for inside, it tombosai. As one at the Siam, one day where motor they don't come pass work on top. So one day where they be they fine. One day where they be there, time where accident happen, they enjoy na spaghetti that where all man in the go park it come out. Even one day where they be there for inside motor where they go waka, whether na for Yawende or the one they come Douala, motor is stop. All man it be the fight na for take his own packet for spaghetti. No surprise, say you go for Sayakombi house. Morning time spaghetti, afternoon spaghetti, evening spaghetti. Only for Sika saying jaw spaghetti it be enter for inside their hand. So now so the accident the day sideway uniform people they know they for look at them when the kind of accident happen. Now the people then say the day for day they go enjoy for all the thing the way they see them. Why sideway the uniform put the day they go look at them. So back then that for spaghetti way throw for ground. One the way motor they don't even waka on top, and all that one them. Population it be come out them plenty. Only for CCA day so them SSF they get at least 1 or 2 packets of spaghetti where they go make am for the house. So the one it be then and jaw chop for election time, jaw chop where it meet up this population for Sika accident where it happen for on top with National Road number 3 where they come out Douala, you go for side for Yawende where motor for spaghetti it throw away, and population too it make good use for all the spaghetti where it be throw away for ground. Inside Yawende, Kunkuma school sese we be go day, time we it be so dey small pikin. A cash fire na school that for Leclerc as well as Sabi na BB College with their canteen. It be cash fire no be na the school sesep and so now with the so tonton for make some more investigate for Sabi wait we really cause that fire for canteen na place where they search up for inside that college for Leclerc where it dey so a cash fire for night yesterday. As we Tori enter for we ear and as soon as see am for that amateur image na the canteen says that way it be the cash fire as we Tori enter for inside we ear no sabi whether na light it cause or na say na some person e go put fire for that canteen place where they be the search up or place where they the search up inside college where they call am say Leclerc for that side. So for Yawende this one a pass na for night. We go take una just now. We go for this Wakaway Oga Keton Anderson, we na senior divisional officer from Ngoketunjam, Imekam for side for Balikumbat, in a DO for that side so for Balikumbat with amateur image. Una sesep una go read Toriwe people them for Balikumbat. They carry am on top the paper the way they carry am. Sabi sep say inside this arrangement, this waka where people them for Balikumbat, them say they plan for Mekam. They don't talk say they want a piece for inside Balikumbat. They no want and say make they divide and they want and say make the way they happen just now make it finish. This waka for Oga Keton Anderson it the come na time we kidnap the thief hide people them and popcorn it is also continue for happen after we them gather for DOE office for side for Balikumbat. The people then say they take time make another waka where this waka it then for peace with the vuvuzela where they be the blow for the whole place for talk say they want peace and they want and say making them they turn back to normal for Balikumbat. Sabi say never overtake where some videos say it be come out where boy them they be make some two Okada people there for Balikumbat for talk say they want and say may they come back inside town but just now another wakaway this another wakaway Ezio it don't make it don't make to say make people there for Balikumbat make they waka for talk say they so they want peace inside Balikumbat where it dey under Ngoketunja Sabi say Balikumbat and Baliyonga and all the other places for long plenty people they never fit for go there for Sika Palava burning where it happen for them. With this amateur image make we try for year with Keton Anderson Ezio from Ngoketunja side a talk for we.
Did you fight war with Balikumbat people or did you fight with who? When I tell them say if they fight na war with Cameroon. Na Cameroon this. Me they leave the population of Balikumbat subdivision alone. Now we this for Balikumbat subdivision capital headquarters. Now we this way here. Me they come for here. Me they not they run. They go for bush. Small picking like this. But me they go look at this bush. Say we no one coward them. Me they come. For take person so go and go hide and go bush na some hard thing. But they know say the man boy. When these people shoot so boom, you to shoot so boom.
SDO Keton Anderson will be the talk. Palava boy them where they the thief go hide people them and he be talk. Palava 2 for chapter for gone. So as we be there with the population for Balikumbat side. Make we hear if on top this other video with an amateur image.
You know how to shoot gun now? Yes. But they sell gun for market? Yes. They fix them for here now? Yes. If you know big thief man, you know work our gun? No. No people they do they don't train and they work our gun? Yes. So if you not see any man with a gun and they talk in the presence of people table, tell all your leaders them, all your quarter head them. If they catch any man inside any quarter where they work our gun, where they threaten people, and you know gather your people without quarters, you mean they fall for that man head. That means you say you will chief man.
Now waka that way Oga SDO make am for inside Balikumbat we then sesep they don't the hear hot sika this palava for northwest and southwest where it is so it is also tonton it worry people them. Chapter for vote, we go land for side for Tombell, for talk say big office for Elekam for inside Tombell. Dey again, as soon as they see that photo, now photo that for Elekam office for Tombell, where they put fire for them, it be then a Monday or to Sunday, breaking Monday, as we to re-enter for we ear. We never feel for Sabi who them put the fire, and Sabi say that Elekam office, it be then a man, he own house, private house, where they rent them, where they don't burn them so, for inside Tombell, will pray, maybe, palava for votes, tin them, they never enter for inside that office. So just now, Elekam office, Dey again for Tombell, as with that one, it don't be a history. Since we the talk chapter for campaign, we take una go to from Bonge, as we chief, the mayor says from Bonge town, he too, he don't launch a campaign, even as with Bonge, it is here bad. Sabi say for inside Meme division, one of the division, or one of the small village, or the subdivision where the here hot over for Seka this palava for Northwest and Southwest, now Bonge, but even as we place it wrong, and as we insecurity is also the plenty, the chief, we been a mayor for inside Bonge town. He don't launch campaign for day, and he don't talk say na time to make the population them to the come out and for so continue for vote, make a party where they on top chair. Is also continue for look out people them for inside Bonge town. So launching for campaign for that side from Bonge. It happen, no nothing no pass, but they don't talk. Number 9 day, 9 way they go check sense whether true the population a day with the party where she done for chair, or day with the party where she done for chair. Inside this chapter for inside vote, Sabi Seb say the mayor for Dikome Balwe Seseb, he don't talk for a population. Say make the turn back for inside town, say make no man, no fear. He be the talk for women for Kumbaside Zaibwe.
I call my people for the Komebale subdivision. Say, not to know the way we get a start beginning, we no get end. We know how well the crisis it do affect us. It do affect our families, it do affect our relatives, it do affect our children, it do affect our parents and everybody. But the only appeal for them, say, make them get a strong hope. Say, when there is a will, there is a hope. One day, think they can be normalized. So we call on the President of the Republic, Papa we get this nation, His Excellency President Pobia, with the new policies where don't come with a special statutes where they try to say if you make the common man, if he make a pass for his skin, say make we use this ideology where don't put down. Make we look and say we be for Papa Pobia, Ibak, and then with our son, Papa Prime Minister Chief Dr. Biongute, where they always call for caravans of peace. That's how we go with the Chief of Cabinet right from Munimba, only for preach about peace, Mokusisi, Indian division, where our Prime Minister get commanded for the very first time. Make we, my brothers, where they don't get on Markshot 8, Papa don't get on Markshot 8, where they don't get voting right, make them come out on 9th of February for vote massively for our ruling party, CPDM. Thank you.
The mayor that for Dikome Balwe for inside the Southwest, now for side from Dian, where he says we the talk for women for Kumba, palava for population where they don't run come out for outside. Just now we go take una go for up north for talk say person will be the top list for the Univer party for side from Vietnam. He don't left his own party. He don't join enter just now for CPDM. As soon as you see for that photo, now Usmanu Shehu he be the man where he be one enter for vote, but just now according to it talk, he say no day again for inside Univer party where he been a party for Kumvondo. As we Tori enter for we EM and as we talk for we, he say he come up for the party for Seka say Siam. Say people there they be there inside the party, they no be there fine, they no be get a power like other ones. So he don't join CPDM for up north. Just now, palava for campaign again for North Makombe. Na tiwe don't funny plenty people them. Na people then that way they dey for campaign delegation. They no get roads. They pass now for on top lock we divide for water. Now for the way they pass for go for village for go make campaign and the campaign for 17 made the vote party where it dey for on top power. They go make them roads and they go open them bridge for that place. But since also people that they ask why they never fit for open the bridge, we head for delegation for campaign in the waka now for on top lock before you go for inside the village. question we put the ask our finitory for this afternoon. Now it is palava for sick, this new virus where they talk say they get coronavirus. Now they name that. Una sabi say for China, it don't affect so te 17,000 people them as well here. And Congo side talk say one Cameroon person to don't catch them for side for China. But sabi say people there they come out for aeroplane just now. Now the new way that way they look at them for say make or no nothing. They no enter with something for inside the skin. So as well they come out for aeroplane. Now so to they spray you, they disinfect for baby grammar. But as well they talk that's the way they try them for their skin. Now for say any of the thing if now that virus if on top their skin, if you wipe all thing come out for their skin. Sabi say for when they yesterday China them ambassador they don't promise Cameroon governor and people that Cameroon say if they get any person for that side for China, whether na Benin man, person we go learn book or any person we they work for day, say me they sabi say it is so they don't look out all man say that sick you know go touch people them for day. Tori don't finish for this afternoon. We go take on enter for the only newspaper where it did for we before. Now the Guardian Post newspaper where they tell we say two picking the way they did turn for road. They sleep straight inside municipal lake for site for Yaoundé. As well the Guardian Post it talk for we. So for inside the Guardian Post they tell we vote them where they come for inside this moon for Sunday. Ofe Melo we between a strong woman. They say don't open eye. He enter for inside Norwest for launch campaign. As well the Guardian Post it talk for we. So for the Guardian Post they tell we as we custom people themselves they don't seize a cargo them we it dey so it come out now for back door. If you read that chapter inside the Guardian Post plus SNH themselves where themselves they don't get a big story where if you for read them for Guardian Post newspaper where it dey outside this afternoon. Tori as soon as it don't finish, we go surely turn back tomorrow for some time if Papa God the help. Big thank you, Amos Fongo, Ledu, and even Malice. Now them they make things them for happen as we Mr. say a day at the talk. If 40 happen fine, if Papa God agree, we go meet up for 8 o'clock when he knock. Tomorrow, on a whole I'm tight for outside day.